What's up, guys? We have an exclusive look at the Oakley Anorak today. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Andrew here at SportRx, and I'm joined today by our Oakley rep, Nick Farnham, to take a look at the Oakley Anorak. But before we get too far in the frame details, I just want to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel if you like this type of content. You know, it kind of makes sense. You get the weekly updates whenever we drop something new. Also, let us know what you think about this sunglass in the comments below. We love to hear from you guys, and we'll get back to it as soon as possible. So let's kind of get into this. This is a fall 2019 release from Oakley. As we're shooting it today, these are just samples. This isn't even out yet, right?
Right, so this is going to be coming out here in a bit. This is kind of your lifestyle meets sport application. Really, really cool. First off, they are prescription ready, so you can get them in your prescription in a vast array of Prizm lens colors, which is really, really cool. That Prizm lens technology is awesome. If you haven't tried it yet, you absolutely should. Yeah, just a really cool, clean sunglass, O-matter construction, so it's really lightweight, really durable. Big frame fit. It's probably more large size, maybe even extra large for the coverage. And then one thing that we have here is this little button on top of the bridge. It's an advancer, so it clicks the nose piece out, which changes the angle on your face that it sits, so it allows the glass to naturally vent. Or if you want it to sit a little different on your face for whatever you're doing or however your fit is, you can go ahead and change that and just click it right back in.
Yeah.
Really cool frame.
Super easy to use. I like this one because it's a little bit more low key.
Yeah.
And the field jacket had it, definitely more noticeable there, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, but I think it's just kind of cool they incorporated it.
Yeah, it's definitely a little more seamless
design
than some of the sport applications you've seen, like radar, field jacket, flight jacket. This kind of brings it over to a more lifestyle look, so you don't have to sacrifice function for fashion. Really cool frame. I'm super excited about this one. Some really cool colors too.
Yep. And just for reference, I have definitely a bit of a smaller head. So as I'm trying them on, you're probably like, oh, pretty big. You know, they're gonna look big on me. I think, Nick, you're more of a medium size.
I'm probably more medium. Yeah. I plan on wearing this thing. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So, and again, you can get it done in your prescription. You can go to SportRx for that.
Yep, and Prizm, if you don't know about it, it's Oakley's patented lens technology. Works by manipulating the light spectrum to boost contrast, make everything in your environment just pop with color. We have a separate video just all about Prizm. If you want to learn more, you can learn more about that. Otherwise, I think that's pretty much it. Again, if you have questions, leave them in the comments below, and that's it.
Find this thing. You're going to like it.
Yeah. Later.